and just hold it there.
Okay.
Hello. Hi. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. All my Cree friends and my Sami friends. And so I put this magical mandala together because the rocks came from Senja. And so I'm thinking of my Norwegian drummer friends and Mary, of course Mary, my dearest, and Burga, and White Bear.
Show you.
So, thank you. Thank you very much. And to Wilco in Peru, so we're all together. We did some really wonderful drumming, and perhaps we might share our drumming with you because we brought in some people. It was a lot of fun sharing our drumming with them. We had no idea that the winds were carrying the drum song so far. So I wish you a really great day. I love you very much. Bye-bye.